How to create AI videos using GROK 1.5 for free. GROK 1.5 is the latest model of GROK and it generates amazing cinematic realistic videos with multiple camera angles. You can now access it for free. Definitely when you emphasis on that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I want to see your comment on the comment section. So let's head over. Let me show you how to access this particular tool using your phone, your laptop, whatever device you have that has access to browser, you can access it. So let's head over. Let me show you how to do that. For the doubting Thomas, let's generate the video first. So you get to see GROK 1.5 yourself generating my video. You click on the plus, you upload your image. When it comes to consistency, image to video is the best. All right, you come here, free creation, right? Leave it as free creation. Then you come here that you're seeing GPT and you change it to video, you see GROK. That is GROK 1.5. Okay. There are other image generators out there, video generators here, but our interest is on this particular one. Okay. So we just click on it. The style, you can choose the style, but that is not important yet. Okay, you can even do fruit on this then. All this. Then this is where you come in, your scale, your ratio, and the how long. Okay. We can get up to 15 seconds video on this site using GROK 1.5, but 10, you paste your prompt. Now, when you paste your prompt, you see this. You do not need to click on convert to text. Rather, you click on, when you paste it, you click on paste direct and it pastes. Okay, now I'm being charged 80 credits. If you look up there, you see I have 260, so I'll just reduce it. For one scene, 8 seconds is very much okay. All right, so I'll just click on generate and it will start generating. It is already generating. Now, let me tell you about this particular tool. Okay, this website. When you log in, you get 200 credit free. On a daily basis, you get 60 credit free. You can log in using multiple emails, up to 10. Right? So when your video generates, you can modify. You see, I want to modify if you want to, but if you preview it and there's no need for you to modify, you do not need to go that route. Okay, you just preview your video. All right, now this is it. Okay, this is my video it generated for me. I will be playing it for you to see what it actually generated. All right, before we proceed, before showing you, this is the video it generated. You can see, right? This tiny watermark is coverable. Now, having generated it, okay, how do you access it? All right, how do you access it? You go ahead and download this one that we have generated. Okay, we have previewed it and it's very much okay. We'll go ahead and download it. Now, how do you access it? Let me show you how to do that. Now, for you to access it, what you need to do is go to your browser, phone, laptop, anyone, desktop, palm top, just type in oi. O double I. This particular one, AI animation agent team for you. Okay, you can see some Chinese words in it. Just click on it, don't worry. Now, once you open up, this is how the interface looks like. You need to log in using your email. Then you click any of this. All right. Now, once you log in, and this may pop up, you just take them out. You can choose or you just take them out. They are just trying to get some feedback from you. Now, this is how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks. You can see story time, character design, scene design. Now you can see I have 200. You're seeing the 200? I have 200. And on a daily basis, I get 60. So for me to grab my 60, I have to click on the 60 and do little tax, okay, to grab that 60 for the day. All right, to grab that 60 for the day, and this is the tax, just to put this where it should be, and boom, you get your 60, right? That is easy. You see that you have. So every day I log in, I get 60. If you want to subscribe, you can actually subscribe. You can see the price they're charging, but you do not need the subscription when you have 260 and you get a daily 60 credit. Not just that, you can actually log in, out, out, in, out with multiple emails. Okay, so let's go with any of this video. This image. I do not know which one we should use. Okay, I'm actually working on this. So let's work with this. Okay, let's download this one. Okay, this one, this image. All right, come back and copy the video prompt. That should be Survivor. Is this sim 2 or sim 3? No, 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 down. Yeah, here. This is it. So I will just copy the video prompt. Okay, video prompt. And you scroll down here and copy, right? You head back to the tool here and paste it. Click on the plus, remember paste direct, click on the plus, all right, and import the image. Image is right here, okay. Allow it to upload, okay, it needs to download. Then you click on agent. You click on agent. You click on agent and shift it to video. All right, then there's GROK 1.5. Okay, you click on it. Click. Okay, no, where this is where that is important. I think 8 seconds is very much okay, but if you want up to 15 seconds, good and fine. So I'll just go with 8 seconds. I have 260. It charges me 640. Everything is okay. Just go through it and you send. All right, you send it to start generating. All right, it starts generating. First it analyzes your video and it starts generating. Though I must tell you, you have to give it, I think it takes about some seconds for it to generate. All right, so that is it. Now our first video is generating. Okay. Now, how do you access this tool consistently? I've already said it before. You can sign in with multiple emails. Sign in, out, sign in, out, sign in, out, exhaust, move to the next. That is the way you access it with multiple emails. If you have your phone, you can actually work with phone. You can watch with your tablet. Whichever device that has browser is what you can work with. Okay. So you can see I've generated my video and this particular one has two, this one has. So I have two emails sign in accessing this particular tool already. So that is what I'm trying to show you. Then when you're done, take this, click here, it goes down. Then this is your video. You preview it. I will be showing you the video we generated at the end. It is good. The quality is good and cinematic, realistic. Okay, so you go ahead and download the video, right? This you can ahead and download the video. Now you can actually start a new project or you just come here, take it up. Okay, maybe you want to, you can take out the modify. If you want to modify the video, you can. But come here, you're seeing three dots. All right, these three dots. You click on plus. Okay, that means you're starting a new generation. Okay, you don't need to, delete what, you just want to keep generating. So immediately you click on plus, the same thing we did earlier, right? You click on agent, I change it to video, GROK 1.1, and you click on plus, you upload any of the image. I think this image I've not generated the video, so I'll just go ahead and generate the video. All right, now I need the prompt. For this particular image I uploaded, I'll head back to ChatGPT, but first, let's, take it to 8 seconds. Okay, now I've generated two videos already. All right, so let's get the video for that. This is it. This should be it. Then we'll step back. All right, copy both the dialogue. right? Copy both the dialogue and paste it. You can see where I'm pasting it, right? And you send, okay? You send it and it starts generating. Just like I said earlier, it takes time, okay, to generate. You just have to wait for some seconds, not up to a minute, and it generates your video. If you need modification, you can see it is, almost done generating. If you need modification, it does that, all right? Now you can see it is using GROK 1.5 to generate this video, all right? Now it has generated my video. I'll just take this down, minimize it, clicking here, minimizing it, and this is my video it generated for me here. All right, you can see it. Now if there is anything to adjust, all you need to do is click on I want to modify it and type in what you want to adjust, and it adjusts it for you. Just click on the video and equally download your video. All right, so guys, if you have any question, I want to see your question. With what I've seen so far, this one is very good. I think this is the best way you access GROK 1.5 so far, right? Because it gives you 60 on a daily basis, and which you can actually use it to generate, all right? And you have multiple emails to use. So watch what we generated.
Whatever's out there, stay away. Please, don't let this be the end.